Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Glycerin Dacara, 35 years old, single. I am from Curi, Pili, Camarines Sur. I am Roman Catholic. My parents are both dead, and I have 4 brothers and 3 sisters alive. I finished a vocational course of 2-year computer programming in situ, and I also took up 4 years Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. But due to financial problems, I didn't finish my second course. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning, listening music, and singing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to save and earn money for my future and for my family too. I have work experience as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia. And my first employer, I have worked for 2 years and 3 months since 2017 to 2020. And I have served 6 members of the family. In my second employer, I have worked for 2 years and 1 month since 2021 to 2023, and I have served 7 members of the family. As a local helper here in the Philippines, I have worked for 1 year since 2016 to 2017, and I have served 4 members of the family. My main duties are doing household chores like cleaning, ironing, doing laundry, taking care of the kids, dishwashing, and assisting my employer when they are cooking. I am hardworking, trustworthy, honest, and I am willing to learn all the tasks that will be given to me, especially cooking Chinese food. To my future employer, if you hire me as your helper, I will do my best to do my job. I will follow your rules and regulations, and I will treat your family as my own family too. Thank you, and God bless.